keep it waiting, waiting. My bag is waiting.
So that was quick, and we are back. Hey, once again we have part two of Bdot and Benet in the kitchen tonight. They are in the kitchen on live. Now this live did pause a little. It seemed like the live was a little laggy, so just work through and just enjoy the video. And I just want to say thank you for being here and good night.
It's about sugar to stick with.
I thought it was juice. Like juice sugar?
I mean, they got juice in there. It's like a man named Uncle Cliff or whatever he does.
Are you watching?
I watched the first video.
And that was good? I might take it out home.
Yeah.
You was good. I would.
Ah! No, here. Keep talking to me,
Yo, you're something else.
Hey, guys.
I didn't pop my whole life, so I don't really like it.
I don't like that.
Unless it's a lot, then that's different. But like,
Yo, that hurt. Why? They not even looking at nothing.
you know, it's not for me. How you gonna say they're not even looking at
I was talking about your
You're talking
camera.
about us.
Huh?
Oh, you talking about them?
Yeah.
Oh,
like,
I thought you said they said we was not looking at them. That's why I was like, oh, damn, that pot hotter than a bitch. Okay, that's cool. Watch out. No, actually, let me do this now that I think about it, cause
I want to do it.
it got ice on it, so that's considered water. Water can't mix with grease.
Why you swung it like that?
What do you mean why I sling? I just want to see.
All right, let me do it then. It's not done. I mean, it's not.
You're not gonna sit here and do one at a time, bro. If you don't grab a handful, just don't drop it hard. Yeah, like that. Cause you don't break yourself.
It's really just like a regular show. I mean,
Got
you
it.
got that in every show. I just seen some like clips on TikTok. It look like
Okay,
it.
put them all in the same.
I know.
Yeah, spread it out.
Not just like it.
A little nervous.
Sex comedy training, nightmare. No, when you get rich.
Just drop. Alright, look.
No.
The best way to do it, look, come here. You just burnt me.
Sorry.
The best way to do it, just drop the fries on top of the other fries, and then spread it out
Why are
like
you
this.
dropping it like that? So why you tell me not to put it all in the same one?
So spread it out like this. Don't put too much.
I dropped the whole one.
These gonna be done in like 5 minutes, and don't be like walking around the crib on your phone. And, yeah, chef. Yeah,
Yeah,
chef.
you get in. If not, you throwing that dub, baby. Can I see the shoe? Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, this right here is tough.
I ain't gonna lie. Oh!
Back around.
But
I ain't gonna lie. I want the other
Imagine
one.
the whole ceiling.
It is like that double. The whole ceiling, not this one. That shit like, bro. When I tell you that shit was lit, I should have called you yesterday. I called Greg. Greg was like, oh yeah, we need that one, we need that one. I was like, bro.
yeah, he already cooked the chicken.
Sure, I just posted today. Yeah. Hey, y'all subscribe to my OnlyFans.
I don't post. You literally like.
What OnlyFans?
Huh?
What OnlyFans?
What are you talking about?
Ow. It's lagging.
Charlie.
Say something lagging.
Charlie, you
What
bit
do I
my
call
finger, Charlie. Charlie,
It doesn't matter.
you bit my finger. No,
Oh
Charlie.
yeah, racist.
That, Charlie. That, Charlie.
Right, so
That,
I'm gonna
Charlie.
give
You bit my finger, Charlie. That, Charlie. Ah, right.
You be mad if I
feel like it was-
Spook, where you at, gang? I made the chicken, bro. How I'ma save you some if you're not here?
Wait, I
What's
thought
up?
you said you could get here tomorrow, but you should
Get here tomorrow. He does get
In the morning?
Who's flying in at 1 in the morning?
You did.
I flew in at 12. Technically.
One.
It wasn't 1. I landed at like 11 something. I just
But
didn't
we
get my
got in the
suitcase.
car
Because my
at
suitcase,
1.
not because I landed at 1.
Benet heard something. Thank you.
I'm not gonna lay for your podcast.
I just thought about it though. Where am I gonna put the French fries?
I really want to have it just going like through all the
When I'm done.
like, so pretty much, I want to get into a basis where everything's like controlled, like buttons and stuff.
It's on a plate.
Like as you speaking, it's gonna be like
100 degrees.
I'll run a poll in the beginning to see like
Why are you acting like you don't know?
do it exactly. That's really what I'm talking about. I'm probably gonna have my Instagram on live and everything, and then just refresh recording too. I don't know all the colors.
I know those are colors.
You know how like that thing's like wrong. So like, it'll just be like red,
Right? Yeah, I know.
purple, blue.
It don't be acting like you out here just chefing it up.
Because I do know, I be watching. That's why I said, I think I really do know how to cook, y'all. But I just never did. I never tried. But if I try, I feel like I got it. Because I'm one of them people that like, you feel me, get something most of the time, the first time I do it. It's like a little bit, okay.
Elevator.
Huh. People Wi-Fi in.
I said we. What we gonna do? You wanna run to the store and get some? You want me to run to the store? You want me to run to the store and get some? Of course you do. Of course, right?
I just want to take you to like an actual platform. I'm posting on YouTube though. And then I also got an app y'all can download on your phones and y'all can watch it on TV on the app too. I got like my own channel for my podcast. I don't know why when Rick talks about what.
Lou.
Because he's speaking with
Lou. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Oh my God.
So I was giving up the platform. I love the shit.
What happened? Is this show or this regular show?
I don't know.
Smell it. I mean, honestly, it don't even matter. Soap, for real. I be washing my dishes with shampoo.
What?
Wait, whoa, nah. Can't eat in that boy crib no more, bro. Nah, bro, say he washes his dishes with shampoo. Hey, nah, bro.
Bro, I be chatting my ass off, dog.
Hey, y'all really gonna subscribe to the OF? Bro can't even get dishwasher liquid. Nah, bro.
Hey, bro, niggas
Nah.
wash his dishes with shampoo.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, something wrong, bro.
Got him over.
I was just laughing and my stomach was hurting.
You got curved up.
I can't drink no more.
What you gonna be
That's how I be feeling every time I take the first shot.
You said what?
So you gonna be drinking later on.
Who? Later on? I'm not going nowhere later
Not
on.
later on today, I'm talking about.
In a week.
Nate, take the fries out.
I am.
About to burn the cribble.
I was trying to get, but this thing dropped, so I had to watch it.
Nah, I'm lying, yo. I don't use shampoo. I use
Nah, bro, you use shampoo for real, y'all. Don't let him
I
fool you,
use
bro.
conditioner.
Don't let him fool y'all, bro.
It's easy to wash up. This shit just looks so good, bro.
Y'all, these fries are very golden brown.
Why you wash your dishes with this soap? That's not what it's for. That's what you wash your body with. Y'all ain't never seen that? Y'all didn't see the Dawn commercial? It was washing animals with Dawn soap.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the body wash I use.
Oh.
You never use Dawn?
Nah.
Bro, wait, what?
Hell for your skin, bro.
You say you use Dawn to shower, bro?
Are you talking about Dove?
Yes.
Yes.
No, bro.
Dawn.
Like Dawn, the dishwashing liquid. That's because they had oil on them. Rick just talking, bro. Louis, do you just like feet, bro?
He like biting toes.
Jit got a fetish. Hey, Jit got a foot fetish,
At
bro.
one point, it was a trend to eat fucking Tide Pods, so I don't want to hear nothing from y'all.
It was a trend to eat what?
Tide Pods.
What trend?
Bro, you don't remember them motherfucking white kids was eating Tide Pods?
On TikTok, I do remember
Yes,
that.
bro, they was popping them bitches like ecstasy.
I do not remember that.
Bro, that shit was wild. Tide stock markets went down for that.
The roof is fire though, I ain't gonna lie, that shit hard as fuck. But the other crib,
I'm gonna clean my room while watching this live. It's all. So we got this off.
But he about to run to the store.
I'm ready to kick my shit in lemon pepper. I gotta go to the store.
Rick go more to the store.
Bro, I ran down to get the hot sauce and that shit wasn't in the car. Where's the store at?
It's probably really going right up the street. And you know they sell ketchup at gas stations.
Yeah, you know, you might as well do that.
damn, why I got what? I just did all the cooking and now I gotta run to the store too.
Rick.
What you mean? I just went all the way out there.
All she did was the fries. All she did was the fries and now she no, bro. Hell no.
Bro, the hot sauce is in her sauce.
Hey, you did the what? You did the last 3 wings too?
Yes.
Man, I gotta taste them shit, see if they even taste good for it. I don't know. They might not be cooked all the way. Who knows? Who knows? Nah, this chicken is crispy though. This chicken is crispy though, bro. Yeah.
What was the lick challenge? Yeah, what was that?
Don't record. We don't.
Why?
It was a
I
lick
don't want
challenge?
I need to see your reaction.
Oh, when they was stealing shit? Like lick? Is that what y'all
Let me see your reaction. Go ahead. Why you can't just bite it? Why you being weird?
It's 928. Oh, bro. Nissan got the new set on the car.
So is we not getting ketchup?
927.
So are we not getting ketchup?
Look like we're gonna get that hot sauce out of
Look,
this
you
car.
can drive my car.
The hot
And get the hot
sauce
sauce.
is in your car.
That's so you can drive
we
my
need something
car.
for the fries though.
Oh, I put hot sauce on my fries. I'm good.
Whoa. Use a different breed after that one. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, so I'm hearing that Rick really just gotta go to the store.
Bro, what the freak?
No type of like.
I'm about to cut the TV on or something, bro. We've been in this bitch in the quiet for the long. At least YouTube or something. Listen to music.
You want to drive my car?
Nah, you good. I need your car anyway.
Tastes good?
Yeah, we gonna need ketchup. These motherfuckers.
Dry it in the bitch. No type of seasoning.
Like toenails, bro.
Wait.
Huh?
Wait, what am I getting?
Ketchup.
Just ketchup.
The hot sauce probably in the back seat somewhere. So we're not going to the movies.
It doesn't look like y'all going because it's not here. And you haven't even eaten it, buddy. What time do we eat?
Shawty's like a melody. Huh? Put which salt you want to use on it, or you want to put lemon pepper? What you want to put on it? Lou, come here. What's up? What's up, buddy? What's up, man? What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up? Why you always want to bite somebody?
What I did?
What?
I did this over here.
Bro, don't over season the fries. You know how to do it? Do you know how to do it?
Which one should I do?
Season salt. If you're not going, you want got regular salt. Damn, why you burnt the fries?
I told you what happened. This thing, wherever it went, it dropped on the floor, so I had to wash it.
See, like these is like good. You feel me? They crispy. They good. You can take them out right now for real. But I'd say give it like 10 more seconds.
I think I baked this one. No, I sent it to the bag. They still good though.
Twisty.
You gonna make sure the whole thing is on here? No, get out.
see a live hot dog?
Stop playing. Yeah.
Y'all want to see a live hot dog?
All right, come on. Don't call me that.
What, jit?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because I'm not a jit,
I'm from Florida, that's how we talk.
but I ain't one. You know what you call me. So don't act random.
Dude, I know, mama
Thank
be
you.
mad. They get up out of it.
Louis. Oh, you getting so big.
You really just want to eat the crumbs with that.
I know, but he's gonna be thrown up, just like earlier. I bet he really threw up because he ate that wall. And that's what he did. Nobody's gonna eat the wall.
Y'all want to fry? Yeah, I finished her piece of the chicken. She put it down and looked away. It's gone.
Why you do that?
He was taking too long, bro. Shit looked too good. Tripping. It looked too good.
I'm over here cooking. You wanna eat my chicken?
You cooking, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Feel good? You know how to cook now? You a professional?
The next one on me.
The next one on you?
Neil.
What you gonna make? Cause they done told me about you.
I'm gonna make. You know I made Dorito salad.
What?
That's the easiest thing to make. You know what that is? You don't know what that is?
You said Doritos salad?
Yeah. Dorito. Wait. Taco. What is it called?
Doritos Locos Tacos?
No, nigga. The Dorito salad or what y'all call it? It's called something different. What am I watching?
I gotta move it. You don't leave grease on the stove. Especially when it's not being used. That's how you burn it. See, that grease is burned. This one you can reuse. If we was to reuse it, I'm not gonna reuse it. I'm just saying that.
Listen.
For future reference.
What y'all call it? It's like the Doritos at the bottom, meat, lettuce, all that. What y'all call that? Taco salad? Alright.
My phone can't sit there. You said taco salad. I don't know, Nay. I just said I don't know 3 times. You keep asking me.
That's not called Rotel, y'all. It's not Rotel at all. Taco salad, water taco. Yeah, we call it Dorito salad. It's not Rotel. I know what Rotel is. Rotel is when you just get the little meats and all that other stuff and you get the chip and you no. Dorito salad is the Doritos at the bottom, meat, sauces. I don't know. It's a lot.
Everybody go join Nay Live. I'm getting off.
You should have got sriracha.
Nah, for real though. Who got an account we can use for real? Stars account. DM me right now.
Screw that.
Drop that in the comment. No, don't drop it in the comment. We have 2,000 people using the same Stars account, but hell no.
Yeah, dude.
Oh shit, it's 5,000. I'm tripping. Whoa. We got the money. Ooh. We ain't pay for this. We broke in. Found out the people was out of town. You feel me? Don't know how we do. We threw Benet over the balcony. She opened the back door. We here.
We $5-figure discount for this Airbnb.
Real shit.
Any minute the owner's gonna be here.
Rick, he on your shoes.
Hey, bro.
No.
Why you just hit him and he looked at you like, that shouldn't even hurt for real? Like, what? And he young when he walked off. Yeah. Yeah, Louis, tell her you want her to smoke. Yeah.
the stars account, but we have stars on the TV. Because I make Comcast. I'm trying to think how that works. We have the biggest shit. That piece big as hell.
I wish my dogs was here. Can't get this little rat bones.
Bones?
Can't get that little rat no
I'm
bones.
gonna get dog bones anyway.
The bones the size of him.
Crazy. And them joints up.
You know what? I gave him a whole plate of bones. She be smashing them shits.
She be hiding them in her
Is it true dogs could die from bones though?
Yeah. I just seen a TikTok on that.
Oh shit. She's hot.
Look at that, bro.
You got to close your mouth, bro.
Right.
I'm doing that on purpose. What are y'all talking about?
You smack
Remember Swoop? No, you wasn't there. Swoop was like,
Snoopy blowing.
he was like, you gotta smack to get all the flavor. He's like, you gotta smack to get all the flavor.
No. Where did?
Stars 6, bro. Ain't nobody dropped the stars account?
I'm saying, y'all trying to say you
You
broke?
didn't even check your DM. I went to game though.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm full. Chicken just so damn good. I don't know what can eat. I'm done. I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie. What type of movie we ready to watch?
Niggas really get kicked up. I ain't going out tonight. Can't do it.
This that belly rub. This that.
What else to say? Really just about the YouTube video. I should have brought my damn camera so I could edit that damn blind date I did with Greg. I need to get that out because I ain't. He just sent me the video. I'm gonna drop that. Then I'm gonna make a video with this fine ass girl that just moved to Houston. Yeah, my show here.
Oh my goodness, this is so delicious.
Y'all can watch.
I'm gonna spit the juice out, bro.
Thank you, Bdot.
Look at Louis, bro. Just want freedom. Let him outside.
So we can squeeze through that balcony and die. That's what we'll do.
I just thought about that. Imagine Stacey's dog really like trying to get through that little those gaps and everything. That's a long drop, folks. Right on the garage, yo.
Nah, bro. I'm laughing because I'm a visual person.
Yeah, that's how I was doing.
So I'm visualizing that little ass. She just in the air spinning and shit, can't do nothing. Nah, bro, that's so messed up.
Fuck around a cat or fuck around land.
Hell no, my sister cat Martier, her cat just committed suicide. Swear to God.
For real?
Yes, bro, her cat jumped off the balcony.
Just said fuck Miami because I get y'all niggas back in my next life.
Hey, bro, I remember I was watching it. I was to her story at like 4 in the morning. I see the blood stain on the floor on the street. I said, damn, what happened? She said, because I couldn't hear the video. I was just watching it. I was like, damn, what happened? She was like, my cat jumped off the balcony. I was like, what possesses an animal to just jump? Like, what the hell?
That nigga had it was on some catnip or something. That nigga was high as a bitch.
How's her balcony?
I think she's on the 6th or the 5th.
Damn, that nigga hit 60 feet.
So imagine Stacy's. She on the 23rd. That motherfucker finna splatter.
30 feet, man.
That nigga, nah, that's way more than 230 feet.
I'm just saying at base, like just the base of it. That shit probably like a football field. Her shit definitely a football field.
Yeah. I'm blocking people. Not them saying I'm checking your phone. How am I checking her phone when I'm on live? That doesn't make no sense. Y'all never heard, don't ever check a woman's phone? I ain't going out like that. I ain't going out like that. Cause of death. Who checked their phone? I ain't going out like that. Nah, damn! I was trying to get over here to this spot, bro. You know this spot? Please. Appreciate the game. Appreciate it.
Wait, what?
Hey, eat that, bro. Stop.
Yeah, they look alike.
No.
Yeah, no, that's my twin.
You down with the stars? I'm just making
No,
How you find that?
I know I eat slow. I just don't like to. I don't know. I was always a slow eater. I know.
What is that dog? Of course I have it in France.
I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I heard dog. Indiana's cool. It's a little boring. You know? My foot hurt. I'm cold. Do it this way. Do it this way.
Are those blankets over there? Am I chilling?
Yeah, it is.
Oh shit! Why you gonna grab me one?
Here. Here. These are.
Crazy.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, my car, bro. Where you got these from?
Crazy. This one
Nah,
crazy.
this one's better. This
Oh,
is
damn.
way better.
Nah, that's too simple.
Nah, this is y'all wow. This is crazy.
It is, Steve.